Sometimes you just wake up and you're not in the mood for interruptions. You're not in the mood to talk. You're not in the mood for anybody to talk to you. Probably things don't are not going well with you. You want to go on social media, alright, but then you don't want to interact or engage with anybody. Facebook has this thing that when you come online, they publish your online status to everybody, indicating that to them that you are online. Their friends begin to chat you and then all that. But then here you are not in the mood, you don't want to chat with anybody, you don't want your mood to affect other people. And once they chat you don't respond back, they are aware that you're online and then you are not responding and they find it rude. And then Facebook, knowing this, also has made it possible to hide your online status, so that once you come online and then you don't want anybody to know that you're online, you don't want anybody to chat you, engage with you, or interrupt with you because you're not in the good mood because of one reason or the other, you can just hide your online status. And I think that's just fair enough, because we are all human beings. Sometimes you wake up due to one reason or the other, you don't feel like engaging, you just want to come on social media, entertain yourself, watch the videos, watch the pictures, read the statuses without getting any interruptions. And I feel that once somebody starts to chat with you, you don't feel like chatting the person back, and you don't want your mood to affect them, or you don't want them to find you rude, and then sometimes you are even forced to reply to these chats. So today I'm going to go into how to hide your online status, so that once you come online, you don't feel like talking to people, you put your online status off and the people don't get to know that you are online. Before we get into the video, please support my channel by subscribing. I'll be uploading more videos like this. I think my next video will be on how to regulate tagging on your Facebook timeline. Sometimes you don't want some posts on your timeline, but people just tag you and then those posts appear on your timeline. So you have an option to regulate and allow some posts to be on your timeline. You also have the option to just not allow them to be on your timeline, even though they have tagged you in those posts. Sometimes they are not pleasant and they can go a long way to affect you. Imagine you apply for a job and then they are doing a background check, they go to your Facebook timeline, and then there is this post there, and once they tag you in that post, it represents who you are. Whether you like it or not, they will assume you have something to do with that post, and that might cost you your job. So once somebody tags you and you feel that this particular post shouldn't be on my timeline, you have the option to review it and then decide to allow that post to be on your timeline or not. We'll get into all that in my next video, but for now, please subscribe to get notifications anytime I upload videos like this. Without much ado, let's get into the video. So once you open Facebook, you go to menu at the bottom right side, and then you scroll down to settings and privacy right over there, and then from there you click on settings, and then settings will send you to this page. We have preferences, we have audience and visibility, and then we have permissions. Now at audience and visibility, the last action is active status. So you click on active status, then it will bring you to this page. It says show when you are active. You won't see when your friends and connections are active or recently active on this app. To make sure they can't see this info about you, turn the settings off wherever you are using Messenger or Facebook, and your active status will no longer be shown. So once you put this off, right now it is off, it's already off, so yeah, people will not know you are online. Your active status will not be published to people. And then once you put it on, as I've turned it on now, then people will begin to note that you are online whenever they come online. And mind you, If you put your active status off, that means you are also unable to see when other people are online. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe and like this video. Also click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Have a great day. Bye.